friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make tomato mint drink. This healthy drink helps to reduce hypertension in just few minutes. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. You can also go with 1 big tomato. Chop the top and you can discard them. Now chop them into small dices. I've already made a video on how to cut tomatoes in 8 different ways. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Tomato is a very healthy ingredient. It reduces hypertension, protects brain health, protects heart health, prevents constipation, prevents type 2 diabetics, reduces cancer risk, aids in immunity function and helps in weight loss. Now transfer the tomato pieces to a mixer jar. Then add few mint leaves. Mint is again a very healthy ingredient. It is rich in nutrients, improves bowel movement, relieves indigestion, improves brain function, masks bad breath and very easy to add to your diet. Clean wash the leaves and add it to a mixer jar. Give it a quick blend. Then add 1 cup of water and blend well again. If you have few chunks, it's totally optional. You can chew while consuming. Now a delicious and healthy tomato mint drink is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy drink in the morning for best results. It helps in your weight loss. So do try this tomato mint drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.